All right, let's come in with the cyan crayon and start to label some of this stuff. This is 6720s, as we know. It's a big level, big milestone for the market. 6720 right there. This overnight high level is at 6681. You can say 82 if you want to round up to the next tick. I guess it's round down the next whole point. We'll go 81. 6681. This level down here is at 6600, as we know. Previous day low, 6573. And then this low down here is 6525. That's it. That's kind of that's the way I would approach this morning session. You know, I would definitely think that these counter trends as in higher are available, but I would think that this area here is a big, major roadblock for the market. Major roadblock right there. Right. So leave that in as a substantial level. And really, I mean, I would suppose if you're trying to track the substantial levels, we'll also put in 6600 here as being a key area. And then we'll just come back in with that red crayon, make sure the red dot is visible above. There we go. Red dot here, great, and then a little bit of green dot there. Okay, so that is what we've got on the simplified pathing for this morning session. That's the way I sort of see it. I would not be opposed to a move higher here. I just think that 6720 is a strong resistance, right? So once again, like this path, let me just come in here with a number one. Like that is a very reasonable outcome for this morning session, right? I think that number one morphs into this number, you know, let's just call this 1A over here, rejecting 6720, but upside to get a counter trend to kick off, a little bit of a rally would not be unreasonable. Once again, it's the situation where this market rallies, pulls back, finds a higher low. This is like 1 hour higher low, and then this is 4 hour higher high, right? So that's where the trend reversal starts to come in. If this and then this start to play a more key role, right? Which is why we have potential follow through day. I would change my tone, the whole line. Okay, so that's it. That is kind of what we're working with on that front. I mean, there's also potential. Let me be clear here as well. I think this is actually maybe worth putting back on the screen. If this goes look above and fail here, I think, you know, that's a pretty straightforward short as well. If you cannot accept over the overnight high, right? Look above and fail there. So that would be the white crayon again. That's L A A F overnight high. Okay, that's it. Let's come in and grab a screenshot of this. And we'll go from there. Screenshot preserved. Let's go ahead and toss it in this spot. Good. That is out there in the world. Perfect timing. Take some coffee. We've got 8:37 on the clock. We're doing awesome on time. Welcome to all 38 million people up here in the office this morning. Pleasure to see every single one of you. Hopefully you've been having a good morning. Let's take a sip of this coffee. We'll go sip and proof. Jay Clark, hopefully you got me covered on a lovely Wednesday. And then we'll jump into the sweaters. Right now. Alright, throw the lid on that. Let's keep the heat in now. And let's keep moving. 3,
Moving like the car.
2, 1.
It's really
Alright. Let's jump on over to the Spiders Cash ETF. Let's take a look at what's going on over here. It's a lot of the same concepts, obviously just slightly different numbers. So what's the actual look as it relates to the pathing? Well, you can see here, like there's the gap up, right? Here's the gap up over previous day highs, previous day's range. We're opening right sort of at that hash mark, right at this hash mark. So we're opening over this 656.25. Therefore, again, you know, like a small gap fill reversal, something that holds up in this area, that makes sense to me as a potential rally point. And then once again, this is your major rejection, right? That's the same level. Do we get some sort of major step up today's situation, and I will change my tone above that level if we start to get this path over there. All right, that's the major inflection point that I would be watching. 662.50. We're right there. Okay, that's it. Chewy double beaten raised. Dogs and cats are still eating good. From Scott T in the chat. Appreciate the note on Chewy. It's a good reminder to especially look at Ondas as well for the drones. Bambino78 says none of the paths are going to happen. Okay, then what's going to happen? I mean, I think we do a pretty good job of covering almost all outcomes there as it relates to what's, you know, higher probability and lower probability. But I'd love to hear what your path is. What is it, Bambino? What's it going to be? Straight up? Straight down? Did we miss one? Is it going to be just like this? You know, next thing you know, we're trading at, what is this down here, 10 million? We're going to break into the volume. Is that what it's going to be?
By the way, could probably go long. Grab the sellers and go long, most likely. Hello, हाँ? यार शाह ऊपर होने वाली मार्केट सो रहा है यार कभी बहन जो क्या कर रहा है यार तू छोड़ दी ट्रेडिंग तूने डाओ को आजा यार आजा यार आजा कब उठेगा चल ठीक है ओके अस्सलाम वालेकुम Potentially short, but it has to go down further. Maybe it's trapping the longs. Most likely it's trapping right now. I believe what is happening right now is that it is trapping. It is trapping the longs. Order block has been reached. It might come down a little bit here at this low at 2443. This could be a good shot. It has to come down. Price are being reported. This has the potential order block, which is holding for a long time. Damn. So if these buyers get trapped and it starts coming down to here, it could be a potential short, but right now I don't see a good short. I only see longs right now. I'm rather kind of getting rewarded here. Buyers are getting rewarded here, so this could potentially trap these potential buyers, and then we can go short from here. That seller is underwater right now. Big seller underwater. The big seller is underwater right now as we speak. Is literally underwater right now. These buyers are getting underwater right now as we speak. They're about to get underwater. good level 2. If it breaks this low, it might go short. I need to specifically see it go lower. These buyers are getting rewarded. If it closes below 24464, it's a good short, in my opinion. But I'm waiting. Maybe seems to look like the buyers are getting rewarded. Seems like the buyers are getting rewarded though, so gotta be aware of that situation. Gotta be aware of that. These sellers are trapped at buyers are getting rewarded. Heavy buyer he's getting rewarded right now. He's trying to get rewarded, but no such reward has been issued yet. It looks like a good short if it tries to go down, but as of yet, maybe it's a trend towards the upside. Could be potentially up from here, potentially become a long, which it looks like a long. Yep, and there's a long. And the buyers don't if this closes below, I'm taking the fucking short. But right now the buyers are being rewarded heavily over here. It looks like a good short. If it closes, I might take a short. Waiting for it to close. Just below. This might be a good short. Not seeing anything big. I like the short.
Order
I'm taking
filled.
the short. Stop just below above high. I want to see something. I like it.
Order filled.
I like it. I don't want to go heavy on this. Don't like this closes. Yes, mashallah, mashallah. Okay, okay. And buyers are trapped completely. These buyers are trapped too. It's waiting, it's waiting. Waiting.
Order filled.
Adding more. Letting this trade breed. Letting this trade cook. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hope it pops down and then it's gonna go flush. If it goes down, it's gonna flush hard. Be aware what we're dealing with right now. Stop below. Hope it goes further. Seeing some selling pressure coming in. The previous candle, solid selling pressure. I don't like this. I don't like this. Like this. Hopefully it goes down. If it doesn't go up, I'm okay. Break even. Okay. We might close from here. If I see. Okay, this is going well, mashallah. So far so good, mashallah. Underwater sellers, I need a liquidation. I need liquidation. I need some sort of liquidation here. I don't like this. I don't like
Order
this.
filled.
I'm out. Good trade. Good trade. Galen was holding, that's why I was like, the seller's not getting rewarded, so that I got out. Great trade so far, mashallah. One of the best trades I've taken starting the day, but wasn't able to capture a lot of points. But it was good enough. Didn't want to let it breathe. It was one of the easiest trades, mashallah. I don't usually get the easiest trades, but this turned out to be an easy trade so far. Should have held more, but I don't wanna get greedy. I don't wanna get too greedy. You know what I mean? I don't wanna get too greedy out here. So just don't wanna get too greedy. So mashallah, good trade, but could have been better. Well, of course it could have been better. Of course it could have been better. What can you do? What can you do? Anyways, buyers are taking control. See, I got out at the right point, because if I didn't get out here at the bottom, it's going against me. Literally, I'm losing every money. Thank God I got out at the right time, right moment. I wanted it to flush, but it can still go down. It's coming back to where it opened. It can go further down. Some buyers trap, sellers are not trapped. Buyers are trying to hold the shit. Could have been a better trade, but what can you do? What can you do? How many points I got? 20. I put in size. I put in good size. You don't want to work to you. Welcome. This J line, this moving average, I don't like it. It's at a specific level that is here. The seller is trapped, so he's trying to reward. Oh, what does it have to do with this pullback and downs? I don't like the pullback, and now it's going, and the same trade is going. I didn't hold it. Should have held it. But what can you do? Gotta be patient. A lot of selling pressure is being rewarded right now. There's more squeeze now. He's making money. He's making good money right now. These sellers are being rewarded like heavy right now. Again, probably if it gives me a pullback. Right now I'm seeing big sellers coming in. This seller is trapped. Big seller came in, got trapped immediately for a second, but I think it's rewarding it. This buyer's getting trapped. Yep, he is trapped. This motherfucker is trapped. I'm not gonna take it long right now, but because the conditions are very not so open. Looking at the chart, a lot of buyers are trapped out there. A lot of them are trapped out there. A lot of them are trapped out there. This buyer is trapped. This buyer is trapped. A lot of buyers are trapped out there. See what happens. So waiting for a pullback towards these guys to pressurize them to go further down, which I don't look like. It doesn't look like it wants to go there. It was an A+ setup, that's why I put some size in it. But unfortunately, I cut it quick. So, yeah. I think it wants to take out the low. I think it wants to take out the low. That's what it looks like, according to what I see. So this seller is at break even, now making money. Now making money. Heavy sellers coming in at the wee map. This chart is wrong, by the way. I thought that was a leader, but it was not actually the leader. I'm just gonna move that a little bit further. See, we have it actually a little bit further. You know, went to the lead. No, yes it did, but the fuck. You know what I mean? Anyway, it looks like it wants to take out the low. That's what it looks like to me. It's rejecting out the previous open. That's what it looks like. And so far, the previous open, that's the previous close, I think. There is 30. Remember, I'm not. Oh, there we go. 830 is here. This is 830. The green side is 830. Okay. It might go from there. Maybe trap here and then go long. Unlikely, but let's see. I don't think it will go long from here, but a great short, man. I cut it here. It went up against me, and then bam, and then from here, and there's some points it went against me. Here, add, boom. That's what it looks like. I'm looking for A+ setups only right now. So right now, these sellers are getting trapped again. What is the level? I don't see it. This is a weave up. I see a weave up trap, which is trying to get rewarded. That's what I see so far. The sellers, this buyer is trapped like a motherfucker up there. This buyer is trapped like a motherfucker. These buyers are trapped up there. Buyers are trapped up there. Selling coming in hot. And also it's being rewarded. It's rewarding the sellers really well at the moment. Right now it's rewarding the sellers. And the open is coming. Gotta take this slowly. I'm not in a rush. I'm not in a rush. Never be in a rush. I feel punch you if you're in a rush. But these buyers are making some money. Trap buyers up there. These sellers are getting their ass kicked at the moment. Comes up a little bit more. I can take a short. I want to see some traps of the buyers up there in this order block above here. This order block, I want to see them trap here and bam, that's what I want so far. My stupid ass platform is delaying again like a bitch, which I don't like, which is a pain in the ass. I don't like the fact that it does that. So, is what it is. Inshallah khair. Waiting for the right moment to trade. Not seeing one as of yet. A lot of bug up there is being rejected hard on the 1 minute, the 5 and the 5 minute order block is being rejected so far. That's what I see. Gotta stay calm, gotta stay calm, gotta stay collected. Coming to the VWAP. We are coming to the VWAP as of now, right now. Not seeing a lot of selling pressure coming in. Selling pressure coming in hot. Let's see if they would trap these sellers and go for a long from here. I don't think so. But if a lot of sellers come in, maybe it's not gonna. It's reacting off the weak wrap, as we can see. It's reacting off the weak wrap so far, and trapping some of the further. It's trapping some. Reacting off the weak wrap as we speak. Nobody trapped. Nobody coming in. Nobody coming in hot, but myself is still selling. So it's at 8:30 open. Let's see if they react from here. Somebody get trapped. I might take a long. Okay, this is a liquidation. It looks like a liquidation. It's trying to really go down there. My sell is picking money. I was sold from the top. Unfortunately, I cut it real quick. Sold from here. This is my sell. So it's going well so far, mashallah. The sellers are being rewarded like a little bitch. That's what I see so far. It's coming to the Asia open right now. Is it coming to the Asia open right? Yes, it is coming to the Asia open right now. London open is below there. Asia open is being respected. That's what I see so far. Asia open is being respected. London open is being ranked. Asia open. Maybe it's gonna go down from there. Just maybe. Just maybe. Looks like a good trap to the. Looks like a good trap. So that's why I'm interested in this Asia open ball. Just maybe. Just maybe. Okay, the sellers are trapped. Buyers are. Some buyers are getting rewarded. A lot of them with some and yep, the trap is the selling pressure is these sellers are trapped, these sellers are trapped, it's at 2463 is the pain point. Coming to the order block, sellers are trapped for now. Are they gonna give them their money back? I don't know. Not seeing significant buying pressure coming in hot, so neither I'm seeing any buying pressure. It's trying to get avoided, but it's pulling back, pulling down. My software is stupid as software is of course lagging. It's the best thing it can do. So reacting off that order block below. I see a great big seller coming in hot. This might reward him. Or this is a trap, but I don't think it's a trap. A lot of buyers coming in when it's coming down. Right now they are trapped. The buyers are trapped. Looks like it wants to sell off, but doesn't look like a great as level to short the market. like a great as level to short the market. I wanted to short from the top. After you take out these guys from here, they're the one I wanted to short. Looks like a long, to be honest, because I see a divergence. These buyers coming in, there's literally nothing where it is being clocked. So immediately they're being raped. These buyers are immediately being raped as they come in. Either they're accumulating or they're getting raped. Either one, something is happening. So I gotta go take a quick dump.
Order filled.
Whoa.
Order filled.
Who the fuck got in my trade? How the fuck did I get in the trade? What the fuck? Automatic? Will the market close tomorrow at... well, at the open, so it's a gap. Okay. Market open up real quick. It's pumping immediately. Immediately pumping. Not trading the first minute. A lot of buyers came in hot. Sellers are trapped. This buyer is over here. This might be an opening drive, to be honest with you. This looks like an opening drive to me, bro. Looks like an opening drive. Some selling is coming in. I hate that my opening drive as expected. Looks like an opening drive. My data is fucking stupid. Looks like an opening drive. Buyer is trapped. Some buyers are getting rewarded. Some buying pressure is getting rewarded. No seller is trapped yet. Buyers are not trapped yet. Looks like an opening drive. Sellers coming in hot. No reward to the sellers. Looks like a buy. For the sellers, the buyers were given break-even points. Sellers coming in hot. No reward. Trapped. Seller is trapped. No, is he making money? There's those buyers. They are trapped. Now they're about to make money. Looks like an open drive. The seller is trapped. Let's see if he gets rewarded. Seller is coming in. Buyers coming in hot. No reward so far. Order block being rejected. Area is being rejected. If this traps these buyers, which it is doing that right now, I have to go a little bit too low to trap these buyers. Not yet though. There is breaking one. If they keep holding it, this might go long, to be honest with you. And if they take out this low, then it might go hard down. If this takes out this low, this goes hard down. The sellers are not coming in hot. The buyers are not being rewarded. Yet. I want to take a long, but I'm not seeing a report to the buyers yet. These buyers are not being rewarded. Now they're getting their ass kicked. Right now they're getting their ass kicked. So far. Not seeing it. Now they got their ass whooped. Okay, the buyers are trapped. Seller come in, a real big seller came in. If this closes above, I'm taking a long. If this closes above, I'm taking a long. Because this buyer down there is about to get raped. Buyers are trapped right now. They're heavily trapped right now. If this comes up, I'm taking a long. If it doesn't, I'm not taking a long. Because it looks like it wants to trap the seller. But the seller was rewarded immediately as it came down. So I'm just waiting for a good opportunity. So far, I'm not seeing the best opportunity towards the buy side or the sell side. This buyer is not trapped yet. These buyers are, see, it looks like a good long because that seller is trapped. This buyer came in, I don't like it. He might get, okay, whichever side it goes is gonna go. At this point, whichever side it goes, it's gonna go. But I'm not gonna make that argument. I've still gotta read slowly and steadily. Looks like this buyer is holding, that seller is trapped. And looks like a long to me. From here, that seller is trapped too. Give me a close. Waiting for buying pressure coming in hot. I wanted to take this long. Missed it because it was just too fast for me. Missed this long because it was just too fast for my eyes. This buyer was, if it takes a little bit, might take a long here. This buyer is not trapped yet. He's about to get trapped. This buyer is about to get trapped. Big seller come in. Big seller is in here. Let's see if it goes above. I'm taking a long. If it goes above, I might take a long. This buyer is getting trapped, and
Order
I'm long.
filled.
Really hard stop below. Not gonna add yet. Not gonna add just yet. It's just not gonna add just yet.
Order filled.
Oh, that was immediate flush. Oh yeah, I wasn't expecting a big whipsaw like this. I wasn't expecting this. This seller might get. Okay, this is going long again.
Order filled.
Fucking asshole! You filled me up at the top, motherfucker. Okay, anyways, it's breaking out. Heavy buying coming in. Heavy buying coming in. What do we see here? These trapped sellers are getting rewarded. The buyers are getting rewarded. These buyers are getting rewarded. Let's see if they're gonna get further reward. Might fill up the upper side. I want to add, but
Order filled.
it's really fucking me up. Aren't you? Really fucking this up. Up. A little bit more up would be nice. I like this. If it comes down, I'm out. Seller is coming hard. Seller is above. Order block is above. If it goes up, I'll take it. If it doesn't go up, I'm out. Seller's coming in hard. I don't
Order
like it. I'm
filled.
out. Just take my profits with a bad long. I was long here. It stopped me out. I was long here. It stopped me out. Bad long. Cut it real quickly. I really cut it real quick. Shouldn't have cut this trade. Unfortunately, the speed of trading got me annoyed. It was a great trade, but this wasn't it. Heavy selling coming in. Heavy selling coming in. This buyer is still literally there. Heavy selling coming in. If this goes up, it's gonna be a heavy long. Heavy sellers are coming in. They're liquidating their position, most likely. Heavy selling coming in. No reward for sellers yet. Heavy selling coming in. No reward. No reward for sellers. Heavy selling coming in. Heavy selling coming in. No reward. Getting raped. Sellers are getting raped right now. Heavy selling coming in. Heavy selling coming in. Oh yeah, so heavy selling. Now sellers are in control, not in control. But a lot of this can be good. If this goes up, oh shit! Look at that. So much sell. Thank God I cut my trade. It wasn't the best trade ever, but that's your first 10 minutes right there. I want to take a long from here because it's I know what this level is exactly. If this traps this guy, I might take a long. It looks like heavy. It looks heavy. Heavy to the downside. They're being rewarded. They're being heavily rewarded. Sellers are being rewarded like a truck. But buyers are coming in hot and they're being rewarded as well. So sellers are trapped, in my opinion. This seller over here is not trapped yet. He is This seller is trapped. Heavy buying coming in. This seller is getting his ass kicked right now. And yeah, sellers are underwater, literally underwater. If this comes down from this side, I might take a sell. Sellers are underwater right now. Sellers are underwater right now. QQQ level is above. I might see that. Looks like it wants to go all the way down. That's what it looks like. It looks like a big flush. Small seller, small buyer trapped, not so much. Sellers are really much in pain right now. Can they hold their position? Can they take these guys out? Unfortunately, it doesn't look like it. Don't want to get in here, especially right now. Yep, sellers are getting raped like a little bitch. They're underwater. All these sellers are underwater. Big buyer coming. Big buyer is trapped up there. Big buyer is trapped up there.
Order filled.
Let's see. Bismillah. Doesn't go out immediately. Buyers coming in. Some buyer, another buyer is trapped above. Okay, I'm gonna add into this position if it goes.
Order filled.
Add. Added. Let's see. Can we go all the way? Or am I getting raped? This seller might get trapped, and I'm gonna get whooped. These buyers are trapped right now. This buyer is about to get trapped like a little bitch. He is trapped. He is fucking trapped. This buyer is trapped. This buyer is trapped. I might take a profit. If it doesn't comes up, I'm taking a profit. So far so good. So far so good. So far so good. Break even. I don't like it. 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 I don't like this. I don't I'm out.
Order filled.
I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. But mashallah, that was a great trade. I feel like this is it's not reacting like I wanted to react. Oh, I should have held. Oh, my TP is in. Fuck. Oh, fuck. This was a great short. Fuck. Shit. I gotta wait now. I only need to make 600 to pass the account, so I'm gonna be patient here. So this seller, all these buyers are trapped. All of them are trapped right now. All of them are trapped right now. All these buyers are trapped. All of these buyers are. Oh my god, my sell. Oh my god, my sell. Oh my god, my sell. I don't know why I closed here. I closed here. I closed there, bro. I'm stupid. My emotions are fucking with me. As always. As always. So let's see. It's at the midpoint. If it closes above, it might go long and pressurize these buyers. It's at the midpoint. Let's see what happens. Let's see if these guys can hold their positions. It's at the weave up yet or no? It's at literally at the weave up. So this buyer is coming in hot. He trapped. This seller is trapped. Is this buyer gonna get? I don't trust this long. I don't trust this long. But this is literally right now. It could potentially. This could potentially go long. Right now I gotta know. Wait. Seller not trapped. Seller is not trapped. the order block, but the seller is not trapped. The seller is not trapped at all. Big selling coming in. The seller is not trapped. The seller is not trapped, sir. This might go all the way down. Seller is not trapped. Seller is getting rewarded again. Might go flush. Seller is not trapped. Buyer trapped. Buyer is trapped right now. He's not. Seller is coming in hot too. Buyer is holding his last position. He's holding. He's holding. He's holding. That buyer is holding right now. This buyer is holding. This seller is not trapped at all, and he's neither he's getting rewarded. These sellers are getting rewarded heavily, and so far it looks like it wants to turn. This buyer is getting a little bit. He's trapped. These buyers are trapped. These buyers are trapped. Gone. It's gone. It's gone. But it might not go. It's at the midpoint. Still at the midpoint. It can go. If it goes a little bit further, it's in pain. Oh, they're in pain. They're in pain. They're in pain. They're in pain right now. They're in pain right now. They're in pain right now. It can go. It can squeeze them hard. They're in pain right now. They're in pain right now. But it's holding. More buyers coming in. And it's holding. It can go further down. And fuck all these buyers up. He's in pain right now. Literally, he's in pain right now. I gotta see this. I'm not taking a trade here. I'm not taking a trade here. This low is not taken out. Okay, these buyers are making money. Sellers, there were no sellers that are being trapped. Sellers are coming in big time, big time, big time. I'm getting absorbed a little bit, but it looks like, but I don't know. The price is deciding to slowly, to be honest, give some buyers some money. That's what it looks like. The price is trying to give these buyers some money, but they're getting no such rewards. The buyers are getting no such reward as of yet. They are in pain, serious pain right now. The buyers are in serious pain right now. Big buyer came in. Now he's getting rewarded. Let's see here. Is he gonna get rewarded or? Yep. Doesn't look like a good trade here. Might sell off. Might break out. Yep. Trapped. No, the seller is. Big seller came in. Getting rewarded. And if it goes up, I might take a long here. Why don't you sweep this guy up before you go up? Big seller coming. Looks like a buy. If it closes above. I don't seem to see any turnaround. These buyers are trapped here. This seller is rewarded. This seller is being rewarded. He is being rewarded. Seller is being rewarded. Big seller. You're all okay now. I want to take a long here if it comes here. If it comes here, I'm gonna take a long. I'm waiting. Looks like a breakout though. Big selling coming in. Big selling coming. I don't want to take it because it's selling. But they are actually being rewarded. So big selling coming, big selling coming, big selling coming. It comes a little bit above here. I might take a long, but no. Look, my sell worked out perfectly. I was expecting this short. I don't know why the fuck I was like, ooh. I was playing with my big seller is being rewarded heavily. Seller is being rewarded heavily. All of these sellers are being rewarded really. Come into the order block. Come into the order block immediately. Current day, yes, it's the biggest seller. Big sellers are being rewarded heavily. It has to go all the way up. Maybe it comes all the way up. Might take a sell. It's trying to trap them, and it is trapping these sellers. This seller trap. No. This seller is not being trapped. He's not trapped. I may take a short from here, but I don't want to. Do not want to. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look sexy. Short from the top. I have to mark that because I was. And I actually did take this from, so you guys want to see performance? I literally did took that hair from the top. What took this long too, by the way, but I fucked. Immediate stop, start me out, and bah. The fuck, I know, right? And I was long here. Apparently I was right. Whoever longed it for me. Alright, big seller coming in hot. Is he gonna get rewarded? Let's see. He's getting his ass whooped. A lot of selling pressure coming in, but he's getting his ass kicked. Big seller came here, 94 lots. Looks like he is trapped. He is a little bit trapped. A little bit. I gotta be cautious about an A plus. I want to take a short from here. That's what I'm thinking about. Like here. I'm not seeing a big absorption. I'm not seeing something big. Okay, this seller is about to get fucked. This seller. He is about to get fucked. This buyer can get trapped. Seller down there is trapped, by the way, so I want to take a short from here, but I don't know if it's gonna give it to me or we'll go all the way up and squeeze all these motherfuckers. So we can squeeze all the way here. Damn, a big squeeze. So it has to come to IBM. IBM is the correct squeeze. And above that, these are buyers at IBM. So the buyer came in immediately getting raped. Immediately the buyer is getting raped. That's the seller dominance, it looks like. I want to take a short, but yep, heavy selling can get trapped here. If it goes up, I'm taking along. If it goes up from here or here, I'm taking along. If it starts pulling this motherfucker up. It doesn't look like it wants to go up. What time is it? 9:55, almost 1 minute left. Gotta see what happens in the next minute. 970 is PPP level, not really. Looks like it swept the low. London low is being swept, has been swept. About to sweep another low. Swept another low. If it goes up, I'm taking a long from here. If this goes up, I'm taking a long. Big selling pressure is here at 980. 980. He is trapped. He is not trapped yet. He is trapped. Is he gonna get further trapped? Let's see. Seeing some pressure coming in. Some pressure coming in. He is trapped, but immediately getting rewarded. If it goes up, I might take a long. I like this, but I don't know. I wanna wait a little bit more. I wanna wait a little bit more. Alright, if it goes up, I might take a long here. This is where I'm going to take a long. But I want to see we'll close. I want to take a long, to be honest, here, but I'm a little bit unsure. Because it's rewarding the sellers a lot more than it's rewarding the buyers. A little bit unsure about this long. Okay, he was paying for a second. Doesn't look like it wants to go down, or it does want to go down further. Doesn't seem to be rewarding. Another seller coming in. And, is he getting rewarded? Is he getting stopped up? What is he getting? What am I seeing here? Buyers are getting rewarded a little bit. Sellers are in pain. These sellers are not in pain yet. They're still making money. The pain starts at 45 at the open. The pain is way above. The pain is way above. Seems like these sellers are not getting raped. So I might take a short. Might take a short because he's not rewarding the buyers at all. They're stuck. It comes down a little bit more, I might take a sell, following the trend. Looks like a heavy sell-off to me. I'm waiting for the right opportunity rather than just jumping in. I don't want to just jump in just because I want to jump in. But then again, there are order blocks below, so I'm sending or taking the short. Big seller coming in hot. Let's see if we can save these people's assets or not. Looks like he is trapped. He is temporarily trapped. Let's see, is he getting raped or what? Okay, now this seller is in pain above. These buyers coming in hot. Are they gonna trap these buyers and go down, or? What are we seeing here? Buyers are trapped immediately buyers trapped, immediately the buyers are trapped. But the buyers are trapped immediately. I'm not gonna take a short just because it's a big candle. I want to, but I don't want to. You know what I mean? The buyers are immediately trapped. Can go long. No. Buyers are immediately trapped. As expected. Wanted to take a short here, by the way, so here, but I was thinking about a short here. But it was just too fast for me. And yeah. Sellers are getting rewarded heavily as we speak. Sellers are getting rewarded heavily. So the pain starts at the same point. Pain is at the same point. 3089s is the pain. Now we are seeing 10 a.m. 10 a.m. candle coming up. Let's see, 10 a.m. candle coming up. What are we seeing towards? Let's say what is that? 10 a.m. reversal. Good time to reverse. 9 feet. Big seller coming in hot. No reward. Trapped immediately. Goes above. Might go low. Immediate sellers being trapped. If it goes above, then I might take a long. Why the fuck would I take a long when it's not even above? You know what I mean? So, shit. killed. The sellers are just getting all to the. So my first initial sell is winning. The first initial sell is winning the game. No traps. I wanted to come here to sell. Let's see, the 10 a.m. candle is closed now. It's a big ass 10 a.m. candle, by the way. This is the pain point is above here. Pain point is here. The seller is trapped. The seller is not trapped yet. Is this 72 level is the trap of the seller, and he is trapped. He's in pain. Can we sell from here? If this goes down, I'm gonna sell. Okay, all of them are in pain right now. All of them are in pain. All of these sellers are in pain. Hasn't. They're in pain. The buyer is holding his position. All of these sellers are in pain right now. Can we get a reversal? Another buyer coming in hot. Trapped immediately. For a second. If it goes further down, he's trapped, but not a best short over there. I'm thinking it's a long. Looks like a long. Gotta look closely at these candles. Gotta know your opponent. Let me see. He's trapped, of course. In pain. In pain. Serious pain for the sellers right now. Serious pain if they didn't close it. This buyer coming. If it closes below, I don't think it's a great short, but it could. It just could. It potentially could. Big buyer coming in, big seller coming in. Let's see if they're gonna trap him or they're gonna warn them. Doesn't look like a great short to me. Looks like a long. Doesn't look like a great short. If this goes up, I might even take a long. Seller is gone. Can't be warned. This buyer is not trapped yet. This buyer is not trapped. These buyers are heavily getting warned. Seller's in the water. Underwater. Looks like a greatest squeeze of my life. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Great squeeze. Great squeeze. All of this squeeze. All of this squeeze. All of them are being squeezed like motherfuckers. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Big squeeze, big squeeze, big squeeze, big squeeze. This comes down, I might take a short. This candle comes down, I just might take a short, but no. Gotta read. I wanted to go and test the opening. Let's see if he gets trapped or not. Big selling coming in, no reward. No reward to the sellers. It's rewarding sellers. Big squeeze. He is trapped. Yes, he is trapped for a second. Can sell off. Might add a little bit. I don't want to go in just yet. Looks dangerous.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see. Be cautious here. Here's trapper. These fellows again. See closely. Hope it doesn't fuck me. It comes up, I'm out. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm not gonna let it come to my stop. Sellers are trapped right now and squeezed. Big squeeze. Thank God I got off. Can we squeeze these sellers? They are squeezing the hell out of these sellers. This candle close blow up. Wait. Just wait for a second. So nobody's trapped here. Squeezing the buyer. Buyer's being squeezed. Got back up. Buyer's not getting any money. Buyer's getting some money. He's trapped. I think he's trapped.
Order filled.
I think he's trapped.
Order filled.
This might be a greatest short in my life. Trapped buyers, but let's see if he gets rewarded. Okay. I'm gonna cut it if it doesn't go. Big selling coming in. Big selling coming in. Oh, he's trapped. Gotta cut
Order
it.
filled.
No, he's trapped. Thank God I got out. Oof. Crazy market. Crazy market. Crazy market. Trapping the seller, buyer is trapped. Buyer is holding his position. No, he's not. He's trying to get trapped. This is the same thing yesterday. Let me take another. These sellers are trapped. Small buyers, big reward. Big buyer might go up. All these sellers are trapped, by the way. It might go up. This might be a long, sir. All the pain is at the IBM. I'm waiting for the IBM short. IBM short. If this comes down again, I might take another stab.
Order filled.
Quick short. Doesn't afford I'm out. Trapped sellers.
Order filled.
from green to red. They're accumulating, these bars are accumulating. Breaks the low. Big squeeze at the low. Breaks the low. Big squeeze. Order being loaded. Big squeeze. Trap sellers.
Order filled. Sellers coming in, no reward. Order filled.
No reward. No reward to the sellers. Yep, no reward to the sellers. Squeeze after squeeze after squeeze. Serious pain in buy side.
Order filled.
Trapped.
Because what time I went to bed at today.
1 second, Bob. Not trapping. If it doesn't close his blue, I'm out.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. fires are being rewarded.
Order filled.
Strike fire. Bar 2. The gums like on now.
Order filled.
And done.
Alright, well,
Now you're literally going.
like I'm leaving. Anyway, guess what time I went to sleep last night? It was awful.
It's your word. I'm going.
I didn't tell you yesterday, I was so tired. I somehow ended up with over 17 edits to do. My stupid preview support was like, oh, we do a set code and we do 9 o'clock. By Friday, I'm literally gonna end up with 16 edits. I'm like, that's not, I can't do that. For me to produce that much in that little time with events going on, he's like, that's not a lot. And I'm like, and even my manager was like, what the fuck? And I'm like, no, like, you'll get it when you get it, you know? So, I'm like, you can't expect me to, I'm like, Thursday, I'm not gonna be here. Only for LPGA, and I have to go because I have a lawsuit. That's important. I'm not missing the world for that.
Yes.
Period. Because then if I don't show up, it's automatic win for them. Secondly, Friday is all the events, Saturday is all the events, Sunday has to be at the event. You know? I'm like, no. I'm like, no. I'm not gonna do that. No. And next week is Easter, so. I'm very messed up, but on my breaks I would throw people in. I think they just send me the same thing over and over. But I just want to go there. But yeah. Stressed, depressed, still is.
Alright, gonna say bye.
I will. Maybe with the blankets of pepper.
Yes, of course.
Pepper loves anything that's laying down as a blanket. She's like, that's fine. On that. Alright, I'll see you. Thank you.
Bye bye. put the food. Pepper's food over there.
Let him come in.
Yeah, she just left.
This guy is coming.
No, she usually leaves at this time.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, let me see.
Oh man, these are a lot of food.
Really?
Yeah. Is that cup? How many of those little ones?
I think I put 3. 3. Mm-hmm. This flat is trapped here. Oh, really close. What the fuck am I doing? Bad buyers are getting rewarded. Big sellers coming in up. Sellers are trapped. These sellers are like, no, fuck you. Back at the QQ's level. Buyers are trapped again. Sellers are trapped. Might go wrong from here. Let's squeeze all these sellers. I think the bubble might take a while. Big bar coming in. Big bar coming in.
Order filled. Order filled.
Fuck. I don't want to lose all of it. Nice trade. Thank God I cut it. Bars came earlier. Trap sellers. Immediate trap. Getting rewarded. Into the order block. Rejecting from the order block. Getting order block and reverse. Looks like a very long. Every condition met. That's why it took this long. Seller is pain is at literally below. Thank God that trade. This is where the pain starts. For the buyer. A lot of pain here. And yet still going up. Is it trapping? Is it what? Can't tell. I wanna take another long. Seems like it's trapping. Yep. Trapped it again. Same pressure, buyers, traps, getting rewarded again. Yep, I was thinking about another long. So seems like either this was gonna be a great flush or a great long from this point. A lot of sellers are trapped up there. A lot of sellers are trapped up there. Wait. Something big is happening right now. Big buyer came in, he is trapped. Big buyer is trapped.
Order filled.
Shit. Too fast. Too fucking fast. Don't like it. Come on, fuck off. Come on, fuck off. Fuck off. If it comes up, I'm out. The open is holding, I don't like it.
Order filled.
Nothing. Nothing from that. Nothing from that. But he is still trapped. These buyers are not trapped yet. They're not trapped. They're not trapped at all. But this buyer is trapped up there. $10.30 is coming in. News is coming. Oh shit, I should have held this short. Big bar getting rewarded. The opening range is holding. If it goes below here, I don't know who you are, it's short. Shit.
Order filled. Order filled.
The seller is in pain. Seller is in pain. Buyer is holding his position. Okay. Gotta wait. These buyers are like, fuck off. Almost trapped. Big buyer came in. Is he gonna get rewarded? Most likely. Buyer is getting rewarded heavily. Buyer is getting rewarded heavily. All of these buyers are getting rewarded. All of these buyers are getting rewarded. Now it comes down here. All these buyers are trapped. If it comes down, this comes down. This is a big sell-off. Gotta be cautious. Gotta wait for the right opportunity. I'm being too hesitant to. Buyers come in, effort not being rewarded. Trying to be in pain, but not yet. quickly out. Quick out or quick short. Quick out, I guess. More like quick out.
Order filled.
Yes, I'm done. I'm not seeing anything. Just gonna wait.
Order filled.
Lost. It's my last trade.
Order filled.
Not getting any reward. I don't like this area. This buyer is holding. And being rewarded.
Order filled.
Let's go.
Order filled.
It's not going. I'm kind of scared. Buyer is very scared. Buyer. Buyer is scary. Oh, it didn't take this long. It didn't take this long.
Order filled.
I think Pepper brings a lot of dirt on the patio.
Hmm.
Ruin every single thing.
Order filled. Order filled.